Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making 3 fruit popsicles. You only need 2 main ingredients, and then I'll give you a couple of additions that are optional, but that kind of will spice up these fruit popsicles. So let's get started. Let's start with the mango popsicles. I absolutely love mango, and when they're perfectly ripe like this, they're just so delicious. So if the mango you pick it's nice and ripe, you don't even need to add any additional sweetener. Add some coconut milk from a can, which is different from the drinking coconut milk. This from the can contains more fat, and so it's way creamier. But if you prefer, you could totally use another type of milk, but obviously the result won't be quite as creamy, but it will rather be more icy. Blend until smooth and pour the mixture in the popsicles mold. I add the sticks and I put them in the freezer for about 4 hours. I decorated these popsicles with some shredded coconuts. Wet the surface of the popsicle with some water and then sprinkle on top the coconut. Let it freeze for a little bit longer so it sets, and then enjoy. One important suggestion I want to give you is to store them in an airtight container in the freezer, and I also fold them up in parchment paper so that they don't stick together. For this next popsicle recipe, you need mixed berries and yogurt, but if you prefer, feel free to substitute any other fruit other than berries. Personally, I really enjoy this combination. I used plain yogurt, so I also added an extra touch of sweetness with some maple syrup. You can omit it, of course, or simply use a ready sweetened yogurt. Once the mixture is fully blended, then pour on the mold, insert the sticks, and freeze. To decorate these popsicles, I used a drizzle of almond butter that to me goes really well with the yogurt berry mixture. Let it set in the freezer and then enjoy. This is delicious too, very refreshing. I like it with a little bit of sweetness, to be honest, because just berries and plain yogurt, it's a little bit sour for my taste. For the last popsicles, I used fresh strawberries and bananas, a really popular combo that I will never get tired of. As you know, bananas are already naturally sweetened, so I didn't add any other sweetener. If you like a citrus aroma, add a few drops of lemon and some lemon zest. I love how well it goes with these. Blend until smooth and repeat the usual process. Once they're completely frozen, I decorated them with a mixture of fresh strawberries and yogurt. I even use a pastry bag to be more precise, but that is not necessary. A little bit of lemon zest on top and let it freeze a little bit longer. You can store these popsicles in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag in the freezer for about a month. So, what do you think of these popsicles? Are you gonna try them out? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And like always, please let me know if you like this video by leave it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys!